Meaning of honor.
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 Honor. The term honor is often associated with high respect, integrity, and a sense of moral or ethical principles. It is a concept that is highly valued in many cultures and societies, often linked to notions of courage, duty, and loyalty. At its core, honor represents a code of conduct and a set of expectations for individuals to maintain personal dignity, self-respect, and a sense of worthiness. It involves both internal and external factors, including one's reputation, actions, and ability to live up to certain standards. Ultimately, the pursuit of honor can lead to a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment in life, as well as a deepening of relationships based on trust, respect, and shared values.